Good morning to all of you, dear students. Today's topic is the written statement, and this is the last topic of this session. Means now your syllabus is going to be over. Okay. So this was jumping statement, and already you have got two statements, that is break statement and continue. So this is third one, written statement. Okay. So today your syllabus will be finished for the class 9, and hereafter what you have to do, just you have to do the exercise given in the chapters. Okay. So this topic is the written statements. All of you know the meaning of written. Written का मतलब क्या होता है? वापस करना किसी चीज को. तो आप रिटर्न किसको करेंगे? जिससे लिए रहेंगे उसी को रिटर्न करेंगे. सपोज हमने आपको एक पेन दिया और हम आपसे बोले कि इसको जो है अभी काम करने के बाद हमको दे देना. तो आप अब आपका काम फिनिश होने के बाद में वो पेन आप किसको वापस देंगे? हमको देंगे या किसी और को? तो हमको देंगे. ओके. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट है, रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट एक तरह का स्टेटमेंट होता है, जंपिंग स्टेटमेंट, जो कंट्रोल को किसी दूसरे मेथड पे ट्रांसफर होने के बाद में जिसमें रिटर्न रहता है, रिटर्न टाइप ऑफ मेथड, वहाँ से डेटा कैलकुलेट करने के बाद में जो आंसर होता है या कोई इंफॉर्मेशन होता है उसको क्या करता है? रिटर्न करता है कॉलिंग स्टेटमेंट को. मेथड में आप लोग पढ़े थे, वैसे मेथड आपके सिलेबस में है नहीं इस बार. तो रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट, द रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट इमीडिएटली टर्मिनेट्स. टर्मिनेट्स का मतलब होता है समाप्त कर देना, खत्म कर देना, एग्जिट हो जाना फ्रॉम द मेथड, एंड कंट्रोल रीच टू द कॉलिंग स्टेटमेंट विथ ए वैल्यू और रिजल्ट. द रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट मे बी रिटन एनीवेयर इन द मेथड. आप उस मेथड में रिटर्न कीवर्ड आप कहीं भी लिख सकते हैं. जैसे आपका कंट्रोल रिटर्न कीवर्ड को पढ़ेगा, रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट को पढ़ेगा, उसके आगे किसी लाइन को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेगा, बल्कि वहीं से डेटा को लेके वापस हो जाएगा, रिटर्न हो जाएगा. कहाँ पर? कॉलिंग स्टेटमेंट जो कॉल किया है उसको. अभी आप एग्जांपल देखेंगे इसमें. ओके. ये आपका सिंटैक्स, रिटर्न लिखते हैं और एक्सप्रेशन लिखते हैं. एक्सप्रेशन का मतलब आप कोई भी चीज़ रिटर्न 10 into 5 या रिटर्न क्यूब या रिटर्न 50, आप यहाँ पे कोई वैल्यू लिख सकते हैं. जैसे वेयर रिटर्न कैन बी कांस्टेंट, वेरिएबल और एक्सप्रेशन. यहाँ पे कोई कांस्टेंट हो सकता है, जैसे रिटर्न 10, तो 10 वापस होगा. रिटर्न वेरिएबल, वेरिएबल का मतलब आप कोई वेरिएबल क्रिएट किए हैं, उसके अंदर कोई वैल्यू है, वेरिएबल रिटर्न होगा, उसके बाद उसके अंदर जो वैल्यू होगी उसमें वापस हो जाएगा. और एक्सप्रेशन, एक्सप्रेशन यू नो दैट इज वन टाइप ऑफ द calculation or anything. This is the collection of more than one variable with some operators, so that is known as the expression. You have already studied in the previous chapters what is the expression. So, okay, so this is your written statement. Now you see how it will be implemented in the program. So here the question is write a program. Example is write a program to create a class calculation and following methods, member methods. So member methods are the methods which are we are creating inside of the class. One method, two method, that is the member of the class. Okay. The next one is create a method int cube. You see here it is not white cube but it is int cube, to calculate cube and return the value to the calling statement. And the third method, the second method is create a main method to assign a value and find their cube using return statement. Okay. Now this is the solution. Class calculation, I have done here class calculation because here in the question it is written that you have to create the class as the name of the calculation. So this is class calculation. Another method is written to create int cube, and inside of that there will be parameter. So int x, I have created a public int cube, int x. So this is a return type of the method. In return type of the method, what happens, before method name here is given any primitive, that is that type of data will be written at the time of the execution or at the time of the returning the value. And cube is the name of the method, and int x is the parameter given inside of this bracket, right? Here it is int c equal to 0. I have created a variable to store the cube value in variable c. This is return c. Now you see here I have used c, a variable at the place with return keyword. And this is public void main, another method in this program. This is this calculation class having two methods. One is return type, which name is cube, and other one is main, that is not a return type because void keyword is written here. Void means the data will not, the method cannot return any type of the value to the calling statements, that cannot be called. Okay. That so here int n equal to 5, cube equal to 0, cb equal to 0. So this is the value which I have stored in variable n, that is 5. Now here I am writing cb equal to cube n. So cube n means this is the name of the method I am calling here. Means cb is calling to method cube with a value. This is actual parameter. This is having 5. So what will happen in this case? Your control will be transferred to the cube method. So now you see from here your control will come upside and it will reach to the cube method. It will reach to the cube method. So it will come and read this method. Here is one variable inside of this, that is int x. So the value of n is coming here, that is 5, and it is copying in variable x. So here the value of x will be 5. After that it will read the next line in c equal to 0. Now c equal to x into x into x, that is 5 into 5 into 5. So the value of c will be 125 here. It is calculating cube of 5. Now return c. What will happen? The data, the value of c variable will return. To whom it will be returned? To the calling statement. So who is calling? That is cb. So the value of c will come from here and it will be copied in variable cb. So the value of cb is 125 now. After that next line you will get the output on the screen. Cube of, it is in the double quotation mark, cube of plus n equal to plus cb. So what will happen? The answer will come cube of 5 equal to 125. So this is the way how the return statement is transferring and terminating the current method and reaching to the calling statement. Okay. Now you can see the program here in Java, how it is working. Okay. So this is your program. Here this is cb equal to 0 here. This is semicolon here. You can take the output. You can write here cube equal to plus cb. Okay, and this cube will be include the double quotation mark. Here was one syntax at compile. So whatever you are getting here, that is class calculation. Okay. So dear students, it is once again it is copied here. Here you can see. Now click and compile. Here is no syntax error. Close. After that what will happen? You will get here the calculation, new calculation, open. So create the object void main. See, you are getting answer here cube equal to 125, and how you are getting it? You are getting after calling, after returning the method from the cube method. Okay, so this is the way how your return statement works. So you go through, you see the watch the video twice, thrice. If you don't understand any problem, you can clarify on the WhatsApp or telephone communication, or you come to school and clear your doubt. Okay, so thank you very much.